breakthrough? Are you wondering why you're trying so hard but not seeing progress? I got good news for you. You're on your way. You're almost there. And you don't have to keep trying so hard. Instead of focusing on what to do and how to keep pushing, I'm going to teach you how to change how you think. I'm going to teach you, dare I say, an easier way. Now, it's not smoke and mirrors. It's not a quick fix. We're going to train our thoughts. We're going to change the approach. Rather than trying really hard, I'm going to teach you how to think well, think powerfully. So I want you to sign up for my free 30-minute webinar, How to Get Your Next Breakthrough. And I'm going to teach you exactly what you need to do, the 3 things to do to rev your confidence to the next level. Because it's your confidence and your courage and how you think about your capacity that helps you step into that next space, that helps you believe that the success that you're working so hard at is right around the corner for you. I am cheering you on. I can't wait for you to see how this transforms you. So hit the link, sign up at trishblackwell.com/webinar, and I'll see you there. Bring your questions, and do know that when you enroll and you grab yourself a free spot, you're gonna get a gift right to your email that's gonna help you really take notes well in the course. So in our webinar, so make sure you check your email as soon as you sign up, and then I'll see you in class.